So I love the Apple Watch, but the battery life is a little bit, not that great. So in this video, I'm going to show you how you can change one setting and make the battery last for days. So let's jump into it. Hey there, welcome to the video. I'm Mark from Buckle & Band, and if you're new here and you own an Apple Watch, consider subscribing because that's what all of our videos are about. Now, let me show you what you need to do on your Apple Watch to make your battery life last potentially for many days. So what I'm going to show you today is the low power mode. Now, to get to it, all you need to do is swipe up on your Apple Watch, tap the percentage you have left, and then you'll notice now if you've updated your Apple Watch recently, you have this low power mode. You want to tick that on. It will then take you to this screen, the low power mode screen, and this will explain in detail about what will happen to your watch. Now, your watch is going to work perfectly, but it's going to reduce the sensors a little bit, it's going to reduce your mobile data, and it's going to reduce things like your background heart rate measurements, your heart rate notifications, and your blood oxygen measurements. So what you can also do from here is turn it on for a few days. So let's say you're going away for the weekend and you've forgotten your Apple Watch charger. You can set it for 1, 2, or 3 days. I'm going to actually set mine completely on so I can use it all week. Turn it on and you'll now have this little yellow icon at the top of all your Apple Watch faces. And now your Apple Watch can potentially last for days. I hope you enjoyed that quick tip. Now we have a ton of tips for the Apple Watch here on the channel, so I'd recommend checking out our entire playlist if you want to learn everything you need to know about your Apple Watch. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.